like, comment, subscribe.
Friends, are you looking for a shortcut to English fluency? Here are 7 tips that will help you speak English very fluently. 1. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English, with the right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. 2. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Constantly look for opportunities to test out your spoken English. Practice, practice and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. 3. Listen. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You'll start speaking more fluently and confidently in conversations, learning how to give your opinions in English with new expressions and idioms. 4. Celebrate success. Every time you talk to someone in English is an achievement. Every single interaction you have, no matter how small, will help you improve your skills over time. Be proud of your progress. These first 4 tips help provide the best way to start speaking English with ease. The following 3 steps will help take your English speaking skills to the next level. 5. Think in English. Go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. You'll find it difficult at first, but after some time you'll learn how to switch between speaking English and your first language. 6. Talk to yourself. It will look funny, we know. But by talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror for a few minutes each day, you will learn when and how to use different expressions. You'll also learn where you make most of the mistakes. 7. Tongue twisters. Tongue twisters help improve your diction, teach you how to speak quickly. Practice with tricky sayings like this: the 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. These are the 7 important tips to get more fluent in English. Try out these tips and feel the change.